All right, I'm gonna do a quick supplement here after I did the install of the kit. Obviously, my rev limiter RPM is higher, and the shift light is still coming on at 9500, which is stock for the Yamaha. And the way we change this is you have your 3 buttons on the side here. The middle button, or the one all the way to the right, that is your mode button. So you're gonna hold that down and turn your key on. Tough to do with one hand. Until the shift light comes back on again. Okay, now the button at the bottom is going to change your settings. So the first one is going to be your flash or your light pattern, steady on, or flashing, or long flash. And then the third one obviously will go back to just on. So that's the way we want it. And I'm going to change this to 10,000 RPM instead of 9,500 and see if that helps me out. Push the mode button again. Now you see your tack come up, shows 9,500. That's when the light comes on. So it will change in 500 RPM increments. So if you just tap the bottom button, you can tell it when to turn the light on. So we're gonna go to 10,000. We'll press the mode button again. And that's gonna show us like our cutoff. It's gonna show when the light will shut off. Just put it past or somewhere in the red line. It's not gonna matter, you're not gonna get there anyway. It's set at the factory from like 13,000 anyway. So that's it. You press your mode button again, and it will put it back into running mode. And simple as that. That's how you change where your shift light will come on.